And definitely there's going to be a paksa. My parents were also sometimes, maybe similar generation to yours. I think I also sometimes paksa my kids. I can see my anak sulung nodding his head right now when I say this. It's true. But I do always ask for their opinions. Saya akan minta pandangan. Sungguh pun jawapan keluar no, tapi ini adalah peluang untuk mereka meluahkan apa yang mereka rasa. Mengapa mungkin diorang tak berapa hati dengan putusan saya, ataupun kalau terpaksa dengan something ke apa, at least dia ada chance nak menyebut, dia luahkan. Saya pun akan pertimbangkan, mengambil kira jugalah. So then I can think about it, like how long, when, if it is a must do something. The other thing that's also a little bit difficult, I think, kalau kita tengok, difference between typical children, neurodivergent children. Dalam satu keadaan di mana it's like maybe a typical child, mungkin dia masih boleh menahan dia punya kesedihan ke, dia perasaan boring dia ke apa, and then it'll be okay, right? Tapi kalau anak neurodivergent kita, mungkin keadaan yang tidak selesa bagi dia boleh membawa kepada satu kecemasan, right? So maybe there's anxiety, stress, all this, and this can be like escalate, right? It goes up and up and up. And you might end up having like a meltdown.